guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 16 of our 30 day of smoothie challenge, and today I'll be sharing my mango and maca smoothie with you, which is super nutritious. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. So yeah, let's just get right into making. So first ingredient I'm using today is banana, and this will keep you full and energized for the longest time. Next up I'm using some mangoes. And next up I'm using a pinch of turmeric, and turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties. So going to add that. And next up I'm using a little piece of ginger, and this is really great especially for the winter season. And I'm using a very small amount of it because it has a very strong flavor and you do not want it to overpower the taste of the smoothie. So I'm using a very little amount of it. Next up, I'm using a little bit of agave. You can use any sweetener of your choice. You can use maple syrup, honey, or even sugar if you wish to. And next up, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of maca powder to my smoothie, and this is really great supplement because it's high in several vitamins and it's even low in fat. And this has a very nutty and earthy taste to it, so I love adding these to my smoothies because I barely taste them, still I'm getting all the benefits of it. You can get this online or even from any health store, and I got mine from the company called as Maca Reserve, and I will have it linked down below if in case you want to check that. And it says that maca powder is rich in vitamins such as B1, B2, C and E, and also many beneficial nutrients that help boost energy and balance hormone levels. So I'll be adding half teaspoon of this one. And for blending everything all together, I'm using coconut water because it's a natural electrolyte and provides you with hydration. But if in case you do not have it, you can use plain water as well. So good. So yeah guys, that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and trust me, you cannot even taste maca or turmeric powder whatsoever and still you're getting all the benefits out of it. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys to try this recipe out, and let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. I would love to know that, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new healthy smoothie recipe. Till then, bye.